Hello people. I know the last video didn't amaze you that much like they usually do. And yes, for the obvious reason, I was not there. But don't worry. Today I have returned to enlighten you all to a very important topic in Python OOP, inheritance. And trust me, if classes were a family drama, inheritance would be the reason everybody keeps getting each other's properties. So today we'll understand what inheritance is, why we use it, its types, method overriding, super, and everything you need before moving toward polymorphism. Let's begin. So, first question, what exactly is inheritance? Inheritance is a mechanism where one class can acquire properties and methods from another class. In simple language, one class says, I already have these features, take them and use them. The class giving features is called the parent class or base class, and the class receiving features becomes the child class or derived class. For example, imagine we have an animal class. Now if dog inherits from animal, the dog automatically gets features from animal. Very efficient because programmers are lazy and lazy programmers build smart systems. Now you may ask, why not just write everything again? Because suffering is optional. Inheritance gives us code reusability. Write once, use many times. It reduces redundancy. No need to duplicate code. Programs become cleaner and you can keep extending features without rewriting old code. It also helps model real-world systems naturally. Animals, vehicles, employees, students, everything becomes easier. Now let's see how Python actually does inheritance. We create a parent class. Then while creating the child class, we write class child parent. That parent name inside brackets, that is literally inheritance happening. Python sees this and says, okay, child gets parent abilities. Simple syntax. Massive power. Let's build our first example. We have an animal class. Inside it, there is a method called sound. Now we create dog inheriting from animal. Notice something, dog doesn't define sound. Yet when we create a dog object and call sound, it still works. Why? Because dog inherited it. Dog basically said, I don't know this method. Let me ask my parent. Parent says, take it. Family teamwork. Now, understand the difference. Parent class is the blueprint. It contains common functionality. Child class is the specialized version. Parent says, I define the rules. Child says, I'll use them. Maybe customize later. Think about it. Animal becomes parent. Dog becomes child. Vehicle becomes parent. Car becomes child. Very natural hierarchy. Python supports multiple inheritance types. First, single inheritance. One parent to one child. Second, multi-level inheritance. Grandparent, parent, child. Entire family tree unlocked. Third, multiple inheritance. One child takes properties from multiple parents. Very ambitious child. Then comes hierarchical inheritance. One parent with multiple children. And finally, hybrid inheritance. Combination of structures. Looks scary initially. Actually not that bad. Single inheritance is the simplest one. Animal has method eat. Dog inherits animal. Dog adds its own method bark. Now dog can do both things. Eat and bark. Amazing career growth honestly. Now we increase complexity. Animal class. Then mammal inherits animal. Then dog inherits mammal. So dog indirectly gets features from animal too. Animal to mammal to dog. Inheritance keeps traveling downward, like family wealth. Except this one actually reaches you. Now things become interesting. We have father class, we have mother class. Child inherits from both. Now child gets features from both parents. Python supports this directly. Other languages sometimes struggle here. Python simply says, sure, take both. Very generous language. Now suppose parent has a method. but child wants different behavior. Then we use method overriding. Animal says, animal sound. Dog says, no, I bark. Same method name. Different implementation. Child replaces parent behavior. This is customization, and it is very important in OOP. Now imagine child overrides constructor, but still wants parent constructor to run. Enter hero. Super. Allows child to access parent methods. Execution becomes parent constructor runs first. Then child constructor. It keeps inheritance clean and saves your future self from pain. Let's take vehicles as a real world example. Vehicle becomes parent class. Car, bike, truck become child classes. Common methods remain. Start, stop, accelerate. No need to write everything repeatedly. And this is where inheritance shines in real projects. Games, applications, large systems. Everything uses this concept. So today we learned that inheritance helps reuse code. Child classes inherit parent features. Python supports multiple inheritance. Method overriding changes behavior. And Super connects child and parent methods. Congratulations, you officially survived inheritance. So that's all for this video. Now I know some things probably went over your head. Don't worry. Replay the video a few times. You revise inheritance. I increase watch time. Everybody wins. And our next topic will be polymorphism. I know. Excitement levels are dangerous right now. But please have patience. I am a busy man after all. Until then, take care and try not to miss me too much.